comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Find out whether the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. We have to find consistent or inconsistent. When is consistent? Intersect means consistent, and coincident means consistent. Parallel means inconsistent. Here intersect means one solution you will get. Solution means it is a consistent. And coincident means you will get many solutions. Solution is there means it is a consistent. Next here parallel. Parallel means they will not meet anywhere. Not meet anywhere means no solution. No solution means what? Inconsistent. Keep in your mind parallel K means inconsistent. Remaining two is the consistent. So we will do first sum. What is the first sum is there? See here 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Next 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Now see here first A1, this is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. A1 by A2 is equal to, here what is there? 3 by 2. Next we will do B1 by B2. B1 means what? 2 by minus 3. Next C1 by C2. C1 by C2 means what is there? 5 by 7. Here I observe this 2 equal is there. This is 3 by 2 is there. This is 2 by minus 3 is there. So you write here, see here what is there? See here what is there? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. It is not equal to first to observe this is 3 by 2 is there, this is 2 by minus 3 is there. So A1 by A2 not equal. Not equal means it is a intersecting, but he is not asking intersect, coincident and parallel. He is asking only consistent or inconsistent. See here this not equal came, what is the answer? Consistent is the answer. Here answer is consistent. Your answer is consistent. So these two are not equal. You have to write it is a consistent. Questions. Second one, 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. Next 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. See here 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. See here first we will do A1 by A2. A1 means what? 2 by 4. Cancel is possible. 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is the answer? 1 by 2. Next come here B1 by B2. B1 by B2 means minus 3 by minus 6. Minus minus cancel. 3 ones are 3 twos are. What is the answer? 1 by 2. Next we will do C1 by C2. C1 means what? 8 by 9. Now here observe here. These both are equal is there. So here right here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. These two compare, it is not equal. It is not equal to C1 by C2. See here, like this is there means which type of lines? Parallel lines. Parallel lines means they will not meet anywhere. No answer. No answer means what? So which type of what is the answer? Inconsistent. Inconsistent. So this answer is inconsistent. So first two equal came. Next one B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by 2. What is the answer? Inconsistent is the third question. See here 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. Next 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. See once again see 3 by 2x, 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. So this is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So carefully listen. A1 is equal to, what is the answer is there? 3 by 2. Next by B1. B1 equal to, what is the answer is there? 9. Down nothing means you take 1. Okay. So now what to do here? Carefully listen. I will explain. See this is one fraction. This is one fraction. So 3 by 2. This is the main divide. 3 by 2 divided by 9 by 1. Down nothing means you take 1. Both fractions is there. So divide is there. Divide is there means you have to write and down one is a reciprocal. So here see I am doing 3 by 2. Divide is there. You write it into down number is reciprocal. 9 by 1 is there. You take 1 by 9. So both are fraction. Middle divide is there means 3 by 2 into right down number is reciprocal. 9 by 1 means 1 by 9. Here cancel possible. See 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Again no cancel. 1 by 6 is the answer. A1 by A1 by A2. Sorry, this is A1 by A2. A1 by A2. So here I will write. See here A1 by A2. A1 by A2 means this is 3 by 2, this is 9. Down nothing is 1. So down number you into right and reciprocal it, you will get 1 by 6 answer. Next B1 by B2 you will do. Now see here B1 by B2. B1 what is there? 5 by 3. Divided by B2 what is there? Minus 10 is there. Minus 10. So this is the main divider. Here down nothing means you take it 1. See here 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 divided by this one. Okay. What to do? See here 5 by 3. Divide is there. You don't put round up and understanding I am explaining. 5 by 3. You write it into down number you reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? Minus 1 by 10. Minus anywhere you keep up, keep down, keep middle, keep anywhere, keep no problem. So 5 by 3 into this one you did means what? Minus 1 by 10. Now any cancel is there means possible means cancel. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. What is remain? Minus 1 by 6. So next this is plus 1 by 6, this is minus 1 by 6. Next we will do C1 by C2. C1 by C2 means 7 by 14. 7 by 14 means 7 1 is 7 2 is 14. What is the answer? 1 by 2 is there. Here observe, this is 1 by 6 is there, this is minus 1 by 6 is there. So everything we are taking correct only. So this is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6. So it is our equal A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So these two not equal means which type of lines? Intersecting lines. Intersecting means what? Consistent answer. Consistent, you write it. See here, one question is there. See here, very easy I think. 5x minus 10y is equal to 14. Next what is there? Minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. See here. See A1 by A2. First we will take A1 by A2. A1 means what? 5 by minus 10. Here cancel possible? Yeah, possible. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. What is the answer? Minus 1 by 2. Minus you keep up, down, middle, anywhere, no problem. So A1 by A2 you are getting minus 1 by 2. Next we will do this one. B1 by B2. B1 means what? Minus 10 by 6. Minus 10 by 6 means cancel possible. See here 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6. What is the answer? Minus 5 by 3. Okay. Next we will do C1 by C2. C1 by C2 means 14 by minus 22. 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2 1s are. So what is the answer? 2 1s are 2 1s are. Straight I will write. 2 1s are 2 1s are. So what you will get? 7 by minus 11. First one you observe. This only not equal. So here A1 by A2 not equal to what is there? B1 by B2. A1 by not equal to B1 by B2 means what? Which one? Consistent. So you write here consistent. You write it consistent. Fourth answer what is it? 4 by 3x. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Next what is there? 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Once again see 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Right is there. So A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 we will do. First I am writing A1 by A2. A1 means what? 4 by 3 divided by A2 means 2. Down nothing means you take 1. Okay. We will simplify this one. 4 by 3 right into down one reciprocal 1 by 2. Are you clear? Nothing. Writing into down one is reciprocal. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What is the answer? 2 by 3 is the answer. Are you clear? Next we will do B1 by B2. See here B1 by B2. B1 means what? 2. B2 means what? 3. So you observe any cancel not possible. Keep like this only 2 by 3. Next C1 by C2 we will do. C1 by C2. C1 means what? 8. C2 means 12. Both are cancel possible. 4 2s are 4 3s are. So I am cancelling 4 2s are 4 3s are. So 2 by 3. You observe here. First one is 2 by 3. Second one also 2 by 3. Third one also 2 by 3. So here what is there? Here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. all are equal is there. All are equal means it is a coincident. Coincident means many solutions are there. Many solutions means here what is there? Consistent answer. Answer you have to write consistent. This much second.